Concepts and Synonyms in SNOMED CT, the Clinical Dictionary within Electronic Health and Care Records. Information is captured in the electronic health record using clinical phrases. SNOMED CT provides a dictionary of these phrases. Let's look at an example to explore how it works. Mr. Akara sees a number of different healthcare workers to manage his condition. His IBS is causing him problems again. Mr. Akara and each healthcare worker are thinking about the same thing but using different descriptions. For example, functional bowel syndrome, irritable bowel syndrome, irritable colon syndrome. The same thing is the concept. The description is the synonym. All concepts in SNOMED CT have a unique ID. This is so that computers can recognise them. They also have various descriptions. This is so that humans can recognise them. Synonyms also have a unique ID. Lots of healthcare workers could be involved in one patient's care plan. For example, dietitians, pharmacists, doctors, nurses. Using any of these synonyms will link back to the same concept in SNOMED CT. For end users, they can use the terms that they are familiar with. For data analysis, they have richer data to analyse and identify trends to improve patient health. Where next? Our Search in SNOMED CT symptoms animation details how to record the correct symptom in SNOMED CT. For more information, visit our website, email our SNOMED implementation team, or search for NHS Digital or SNOMED CT on Twitter.